A solid spine gives stability and flexibility. It's also the symbol of determination and courage. To take the lead in reducing the building and construction industry's environmental footprint, you will need both. This is why we introduced the Consolis Green Spine Line. Our certified precast solutions with at least 15% lower CO2 emission than local industry standards. All over Europe, we are approaching the climate challenge head-on, with deeds, not words. Our holistic working method includes local sourcing of raw materials, recipe optimization, smart design, industrial production, reuse of elements, recycling of materials, and strategic partnerships. A key measure to minimize cement in the concrete mix is testing and evaluating new, more sustainable binders. In the Netherlands, we're testing calcinated clay. In Sweden, husk ashes. And Denmark recently started to use a new type of fly ash, where a major part of the material is bio-based. In Spain, we have partnered with climate tech pioneers Carbon Cure Technologies to reduce carbon emissions. In Finland, we have launched an entire product line that helps one of our key customers save 4,000 tons of CO2 emissions a year. And in Romania, we are installing photovoltaic panels to reduce energy consumption. We're also part of the EU Horizon-funded Recreate project, aiming to find ways to reuse precast elements to contribute to a more circular construction industry. And our efforts produce results. 1 year after the launch of our Green Spine line, more than 400,000 tons of certified products have left our factories, which corresponds to almost 10% of our total production last year. And this is just the beginning of our long-term commitment to transforming the construction industry by building more sustainable local communities. We've picked up speed, and we keep accelerating toward our goal: to provide the spine for useful, long-lasting buildings and to be the forerunner in the sustainable transformation. The market demands it, our industry needs it, and our planet deserves it.